Part 1. How to measure the deck on the machine. How to measure a treadmill deck. 1. Unplug the treadmill. Safety first. Always disconnect the treadmill from the power source before starting any disassembly. 2. Remove the front motor cover and rear end caps. The front motor cover is typically secured with 4 screws at the front and 1 screw on each side, while the rear end caps usually have a screw underneath each side. You may need to lift your machine to the upright position if possible, or turn over onto the side. Use a screwdriver to remove all screws carefully. Then lift off the motor cover and end caps. 3. Remove the side rails. The side rails can be attached in several ways. Bolted underneath. Remove the bolts using the appropriate tool. Slide-off type. Slide the rail toward the back of the treadmill. The foot rail should come off. This can be difficult on some machines, and you may need to use your foot to help slide it back, or use a rubber mallet. Double-sided tape. Some models use strong double-sided tape to secure the foot rails. If so, carefully run a thin knife or blade underneath the rail to release it, taking care not to damage the surface. 4. Access the treadmill deck. Once the cover, side rails, and end caps are removed, you should have a clear view of the deck surface. 5. Measure the deck. Use a tape measure to record the following dimensions. Deck width. Measure from side to side. Deck length. Measure from top to bottom. Deck thickness. Measure the height of the deck surface. Notches or cutouts. If the deck has any, measure their size and position, and make a note for reference. Example: one end both sides, top left-hand corner, etc. Notch width. Measure from side to side. Notch length. Measure from top to bottom.